This weekend, Jaswant Singh was expelled from the BJP for a second time in his 34-year-long association with the party. It didn't take him long to go on the attack, accusing the BJP of falling to the whims of individuals.
A day after he was expelled from the BJP, Jaswant Singh minced no words about what he thinks of the present BJP leadership.
जो माननीय अटल जी ने, अडवाणी जी ने, या भैरव सिंह जी ने उन दिनों में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए सोचा था, यही हमारी सीमाएं होनी चाहिए। मुझे खेद है कि ये हम उसको छोड़ करके दिशाहीन से हो गए हैं।
While the party veteran, who was also expelled in 2009 for praising Jinnah in his book, said that he was saddened by the decision to expel him, and he made no bones about the fact that he is fighting to win in Barmer.
उसी पार्टी से निकाल रहे हैं जिसमें मैंने 34 वर्षों से निरंतर इसकी सेवा की है। इसकी स्थापना से लेकर आज तक मेरे विचार और सिद्धांत वही हैं जो स्थापना के दिन में थे।
Jaswant Singh's rebellion has exposed the faultiness in the BJP, and in spite of his expulsion, party leaders are circumspect in speaking about him.
If 9 times for 34 years it can send you to parliament, please have broad shoulders to take no for an answer once.
For the BJP, the immediate challenge is to beat Jaswant Singh's challenge in Barmer. Jaswant draws support from Rajput, Kalvi, Rajpurohit and several other communities, and has made no bones about the fact that his insult by Vasundhara Raje will be a major electoral issue.
पर मेरे हिसाब से वसुंधरा, राजनाथ, ये जेटली एंड मोदी जी, मैं तो जी भी नहीं कह सकती हूँ उनको, मेरी नजरों से इतने गिरे हुए हैं।
That Vasundhara is not taking Jaswant's challenge can be seen from the fact that she has visited Barmer twice in the last 1 week. There is no doubt that the Battle of Barmer will be fought between the Chief Minister and a one-time mentor Jaswant Singh. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.